how to add two photos in Instagram story. So if you want to add two photos on your Instagram story, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, tap on your story. From your story, you need to go with the camera and then select the background. Once you've selected your background, now if you want to add two photos on your Instagram story, you need to go with the stickers option, which is on the top right, and then tap on photo and select the photo that you would like to add. After selecting one photo, you need to just go and crop that photo or reshape it, whichever shape you like, and then adjust it. After adjusting, now again go with the stickers option and then go with photo and select another one. After that, adjust it again, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to add two photos on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.